This is my EDC technology kit, and I have the most essential things here. Adapters mostly, and the pocket knife Victorinox. This is the size of the Altoids kit, but it's from it's from a Logitech G9 mouse. And inside that's what's inside here. And I put all these things together here, and there is a microfiber cloth on top to keep them from shaking too much inside. You can always use a plastic bag to have them, keep them tight together so they don't move and make noises. And this is, let's start with a microfiber cloth. Very simple to clean the screen or anything, any device. Then you have a USB-A to USB-C, so you plug this into your phone, and for example, you can have a USB flash drive. That's the old style, but with this you can adapt it to your phone. So that's really useful. You can have the opposite, where you have the USB-C to USB-A. So you have a charging cable that's USB-C only, both sides, but in some cases the charger port on the wall or on a socket, it will be the old style USB-A. Like with this one, you can charge your phone with a USB-C to USB-C cable in an old port. I made this adapter USB-A to USB-A male, both of them. I have also the female for this version, but this didn't really fit here, so if I was going to make this flat like that, like the male, it would fit, so maybe I'll do that in the future. A few paper clips to remove use reset pins. You can open the paper clip. You can use the paper clip as a stand for the phone. The Victorinox MiniChamp alox has a really nice set of tools. You have the blade, this really combo tool. This tool is an opening tool and wire stripper and screwdriver all in one. You have the scissors on this side. That's all on this side. Then you have this tool, like a spoon. A measuring tool, and I guess you could use this as a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool if needed, if really necessary. The orange peeler. It's really nice to open packages for unboxing, this one. This is the second blade, which is a different shape, like that. Already there are so many tools only in this pocket knife. This is for the nails, nail file, and you could use this also as a kind of screwdriver and opening tool. A really nice Victorinox MiniChamp alox. I really like this one. It's super compact. This is the classic SD, which has less tools, and it's actually saving it needs a lot less space. But in this can it really fits well. The MiniChamp fits perfectly here. I have a microSD card adapter with a microSD in it. It can go into my phone. I can take files out from this. I can take files out from my phone with this card and put it in the SD card and transfer them somewhere if I need to copy the files, but usually you use email now and cloud drives, so it's not much useful now, but you never know when you need that. And the micro SD to USB-C adapter. It would be nice to have the opposite also, the USB-C to micro SD, because some devices they use still the micro SD way, but I don't have that, so that's it. So this is the EDC technology kit. They all go into here. I could even put one of these lanyards. That's from the Victorinox, but I could put it here just to keep the space more tight there and keep them from moving around. I could even use an adapter like this, but I think there's not much space for that. It's always useful to have one extra of these clips, carabiner clips, and light ones. It's very light, so it can go in here together with the lanyard. It could be useful. And the last part, to throw in the microfiber cloth. I don't need to arrange it too much. I want it to be a bit fluffy so it holds. I want it to be a bit fluffy so it holds everything together nicely. This is the shaking from the ring of the Victorinox. But that's about it, that's all. This goes into my bag. I have all the adapters that I might need for any USB cables. And there is one adapter I don't have, the USB-C to micro USB. So maybe I will get that. But now there are not many devices with micro USB, and actually I'm not sure if I need this, so probably I'll leave it. I don't want to carry something with me that I don't need here, and this is really the most compact. Even have a piece of the cloth out. I want it to be bigger like this to put pressure on the things inside. No rattling. I thought about using a plastic bag like this, but it would make the space inside a bit more difficult, and the point is to be able to remove something and put it back when needed quickly, so I think this is a pretty good solution. An alternative way is to use the classic SD instead of the MiniChamp. This is much thinner, it takes a lot less space, but it also has less tools, so it's up to you what you prefer. That's it. Thanks for watching.